Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the coolest gadgets in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of audio with the WPOW 2024 Open Ear Headphones. Let's get into it. These innovative headphones are not your average earbuds. With a unique clip-on design, they offer a comfortable fit without entering your ear canal. Perfect for those long listening sessions without discomfort. Now, what sets these apart? Well, first off, let's talk about sound quality. The WPOW 2024 delivers powerful stereo sound, ensuring a premium listening experience whether you're jamming to your favorite tunes or taking calls on the go. And speaking of calls, the call quality on these earbuds is top-notch. With high-end microphones, your voice comes through crystal clear, making sure you're heard loud and clear on the other end of the line. Now, battery life is always a concern with wireless headphones. The WPOW 2024 comes equipped with high-quality rechargeable batteries, giving you up to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. Plus, the charging case provides an additional 6 charges, ensuring you're never without your favorite tunes. Comfort is key, especially for those long listening sessions. The flexible silicone ear hooks and ergonomic design ensure a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for any outdoor activity or workout session. But what about staying aware of your surroundings? Well, with these headphones, you can do just that. The open ear design allows you to hear your music in the world around you, keeping you safe and alert no matter where you are. So there you have it, folks. The WPOW 2024 Open Ear Headphones are a game-changer in the world of audio. With their comfortable design, premium sound quality, and long-lasting battery life, they're sure to become your new favorite companion for all your adventures. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy listening.